Excited ako sa mga masasayang students namin na babalik na sa aming school. Let's go!
So excited because I want to see my new set of pupils. I want them to be good always. I'm so excited because I have something to share with them.
We are from Men's Volleyball Team. Excited po kami lahat sa magiging first day of school po namin kasi bagong community po at bagong mga classmates and environment po ang may experience po namin.
Maging smooth lahat ng events and other transactions or kung ano man yung kailangan this school year.
I'm excited for what the AYC will be able to achieve and my new section. Since now I'm in grade 9, I'll be able to achieve bigger things. Sa Foundation Week po! Hi!
This academic year po, I'm looking forward to meeting my new students, especially now that I'm handling the AYC, our office, the co-curricular of the junior high school, and the AYC office.
Well, excited for this new school year kasi big kid na, kinder and graduating, and she's super excited. How do you feel?
I'm so excited!
Super happy?
Yes! Smile! Look at Miss Alma! Waki!